Welcome back to Explore Error. Ever accidentally deleted your search history in Google Chrome? Don't worry, you can still check it again. If you are signed into your Google account, viewing or restoring your search history is quite simple. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your device. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Then select Manage your Google account. After that, go to Your Activity. Click on the Data and Privacy section and scroll down. Now select Web and App Activity under the History Settings section. In See and Delete Activity, click on View All. From here, you will see a detailed list of your search history arranged by date and time. Now, if you want to restore this history, simply open the websites listed in your activity. Once you visit them again, they will appear back in your browser's history. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.